Dr. Anna gives her all each day, but there's never enough time to focus on herself. That's why we created WinSpace, a digital world where learning, connection, and growth come to life. Whether you're just starting out or building on your expertise, explore tailored content from Straumann and ITI that fits your journey. Every 3 months, a new Win ambassador guides you through a specialized implantology topic. Browse inspiring stories and clinical cases. And as a WinSpace member, you can even upload your clinical case. Best submissions selected by the ITI editorial board will be featured on the ITI Academy, showcasing your work to the global dental community. And when you're ready to go further, explore events that keep you inspired and connected. WinSpace, your gateway to connection, confidence, and growth in implantology.